Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken broth in a pressure cooker. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 pounds of chicken bones or parts, like backs and necks, along with aromatic vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions. Don't forget a bay leaf and a few peppercorns. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar helps extract more nutrients from the bones, ensuring a richer, more flavorful broth. Now, carefully place all your chicken bones, vegetables, and aromatics into the inner pod of your pressure cooker. Next, pour in about 8 to 10 cups of cold water, ensuring all ingredients are submerged. It's crucial to not exceed the maximum fill line marked inside your pot, typically 2/3 full, to allow for proper pressure buildup and safe operation. Once your ingredients are in and the lid is sealed, set your pressure cooker to high pressure and cook for 60 to 90 minutes. After the cooking cycle finishes, allow the pressure to release naturally for at least 15 minutes. This natural release helps prevent foam from erupting. Then, carefully quick release any remaining pressure before opening the lid. Finally, carefully strain your rich, homemade chicken broth through a fine mesh sieve or colander lined with cheesecloth into a large bowl. Discard all the solids. Once cooled, skim off any excess fat from the surface. You can store this delicious broth in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, or freeze it in airtight containers for up to 3 months for longer enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.